Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today, we are looking at one of the most trusted names in the commuter segment, the 2025 Hero Honda CD Deluxe, known in its latest form as the Hero HF Deluxe. This bike has been designed to deliver unmatched fuel efficiency, comfortable daily rides, and a reliable performance for all kinds of riders. Engine and performance. Under the seat, you get a 97.2 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, single-cylinder OHC engine producing around 8 PS of power at 8,000 RPM and 8.05 Nm of torque at 6,000 RPM. The 4-speed manual gearbox shifts smoothly, and the wet multi-plate clutch ensures a light, easy feel, perfect for city traffic. Mileage and fuel capacity. If fuel efficiency is your top priority, this bike will not disappoint, delivering 65 to 70 km per litre in real-world conditions. The 9-litre fuel tank means fewer trips to the pump, making it a pocket-friendly choice for everyday commuting. Comfort and ride quality. With an 805mm seat height and a lightweight frame at just 112 kilograms, it's easy to handle for both young and middle-aged riders. The suspension setup is tuned for comfort, and the upright seating position ensures fatigue-free rides, even during longer journeys. Braking and safety. Braking duties are handled by drum brakes on both wheels, paired with Hero's integrated braking system, IBS, for better control. Safety features like the side stand engine cutoff and pass light make everyday riding safer and more convenient. Design and features. The 2025 model comes with stylish body graphics, an analog instrument cluster, hazard light function, and a robust build that can handle tough road conditions. It's simple, practical, and built to last. Who is it for? The CD Deluxe is perfect for students, office goers, delivery riders, or anyone looking for a low-maintenance, highly fuel-efficient commuter bike. Price and variants. In India, prices range from around 60,000 Indian rupees for the base variant to 73,550 Indian rupees for the top-end HF Deluxe Pro with extra features like i3S start-stop technology. Final words. If you're after a dependable, economical, and easy-to-ride bike that has stood the test of time, the 2025 Hero Honda CD Deluxe should be high on your list. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider for more authentic bike reviews.